Look, finding a decent RC car that doesn't break after 2 jumps is a nightmare if you're trying to stay under 200 bucks. I've spent way too much time and money on hobby-grade trucks that ended up being cheap plastic junk. I finally picked up 5 of the most popular models to see which ones actually survive the backyard.
Product number 1. Hyboxing 188 scale 18859. When I first pulled this Hyboxing out of the box, I was surprised by how solid it felt for a smaller 1/18 scale truck. It's got that hobby class weight to it, with real ball bearings and independent suspension that doesn't feel like a toy. I took it out to a gravel path, and it hits 36 kph fast enough to kick up some serious dirt. The 4WD system handled the transitions from concrete to short grass without getting stuck, which is usually where small trucks fail. I got about 40 minutes of runtime using both batteries, which is plenty for a quick park session. It's splash-proof too, so hitting a few puddles didn't fry the electronics. If you're looking for a gift for a kid or just want a reliable entry-level basher that won't break the bank, this is a safe bet. It's simple, tough, and easy to fix.
Product number 2. Amoro 1/10 brushless monster truck. This Amoro is a total beast compared to the others. The moment I felt the 2.5mm alloy chassis, I knew it was built for a beating. This isn't a kid's toy. It's a legit hobby machine with a brushless motor that's honestly a bit scary on a 3S battery. I clocked it near 50 miles per hour on a flat stretch, and the central differential kept it from flipping immediately. What I really loved during testing was the cooling fan on the motor. It actually keeps the temps down when you're doing backflips and speed runs. The oil-filled shocks soaked up some massive jumps I took at the local BMX track. It's highly customizable too, with an adjustable motor mount if you want to swap parts later. If you want maximum speed and the ability to upgrade your rig like a pro, this is the one to get.
Product number 3. Motorola Moto G Play 2024. Motorola usually nails the feel of a phone, and the Moto G Play in Sapphire Blue is no exception. It feels solid, not hollow. The standout feature for me during my week with it was the 90 Hz refresh rate on the display. It makes scrolling through Instagram feel way smoother than the standard 60 Hz screens you usually find at this price. I took it out for a spin, and the 50-megapixel camera actually took some great vibrant shots in daylight. Since it's locked to total wireless, you're getting a lot of hardware for a lower entry price. I managed to get nearly 2 full days out of the 5,000 milliamp battery, which is a lifesaver if you're like me and constantly forget to plug your phone in at night. It's a fantastic, smooth performing choice if you're already on or switching to total wireless.
Product number 4. Nuoke Pink Stunt Car. Now this Nuoke stunt car is a completely different vibe. It's small, bright pink, and feels like it's made of that nearly indestructible flexible plastic. I handed this one over to my younger cousin, and she had a blast. It doesn't drive like a traditional truck. It's all about the 360-degree spins and double-sided flipping. I watched it tumble down a flight of stairs and just keep going because it doesn't have a top or bottom. The LED headlights are actually bright enough for racing around the living room when the lights are low. It's not meant for high-speed racing, but for indoor fun or backyard stunts, it's a riot. If you have a kid aged 3 to 10 who just wants to smash into things and see cool lights, this is a winner. It's pure, simple fun without the maintenance.
Product number 5. Tensenix 1/16 all-terrain truck. The Tensenix feels incredibly rugged because of that reinforced metal chassis. When I was ripping it through some thick mud and wet grass, I could tell the IPX4 waterproof rating was doing its job. It's got a 380 brushed motor, so while it isn't quite as fast as the brushless models, it has a ton of torque for climbing over obstacles. I noticed the metal drive shafts and differentials make it feel much more stable during hard acceleration than other trucks in this price range. I got a solid 40 minutes of runtime between the two 1200 milliamp batteries, which kept me out in the field longer. The LED headlights look great at dusk too. If you're looking for a traditional monster truck feel with a bulletproof drivetrain that can handle some water and mud, this Tensenix is a fantastic choice. Outro. Those are the best rigs I've found that actually hold up under 200 bucks. Whether you want raw speed or something for the kids to bash, one of these will definitely fit the bill. I've put the links to all of them in the description below so you can check the latest prices. Outro. That's the breakdown of the best budget options I've tested lately. There's something here for everyone, whether you need a long-term investment or just a basic backup. Make sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices. Which one are you leaning toward? Let me know.